September 29th, 2023 marked an incredibly special day here at Telearuba. The local Channel 13 celebrated its 60th anniversary. To commemorate the milestone, the studio broadcasted an extraordinary 4-hour live show during its Nos Mainta time slot. The live show featured a number of special guests, including the Prime Minister of Aruba, Minister of Nature, plus anchors and hosts of Telearuba through the years. The anniversary day culminated with a team dinner where I had the chance to speak to a few of my colleagues on what they love about their role at Telearuba.
My favorite part of the job is creating content from scratch and see the content come alive.
Every single night different because it's a news. It's not maybe like the same job that you have, like for instance if you work in a bank, that is really every single day kind of the same. In our case it's every single day different.
What I love is I love everything what I do. You know, when I do it from the bottom of my heart. You know, it's my passion to be in the media. Media is part of my life, so I don't see myself doing other things than being in the media.
Telearuba is a reliable media outlet providing the community with accurate and up-to-date information. Marking 6 decades reinforces how Telearuba has stood the test of time. With so much content available on the internet, it is crucial to have a reliable news source that the people of Aruba can turn to for credible information.
What we do, I think, is very important, giving information, educate. I believe that when we give good information, we are teaching our community, and that for me is very important, because today you have the media and social media, it's so wide open. You get a bunch of information that you don't know if they're reliable or not.
Via Telearuba, they can receive the information. For instance, what happened with pandemic was actually Telearuba was the channel how they can receive information from government, different changes. You know, like every single day they really need to communicate to the community. So via Telearuba they did it. So I feel like as a television, like national television on Aruba, Telearuba make like a really important role.
As we know, nowadays it's really important for the information. You know, the internet has evolved so much that you need valuable and trustful information. And what we do is try to, as accurate as possible, to bring this information to the public.
Happy 60th anniversary to all past and present team members of Telearuba. Here's to another 60 years and more.